Cleaning up the stuff from the tornado. I'm so happy they're getting the trees at least. That is just so cool. Wow. I'm getting a video for my YouTube too. It's my dad. There's some of the houses. Well, what's left of them anyway. We've cleaned up a lot. Thank God. This used to all be full of trees too, and now they've really cleaned it up. It was just, you couldn't even cross this road right here. I'm just thankful nobody got hurt in the tornado. I'm very grateful. God is good all of the time.
Clean it up. Get them out of here.
That's right. Whoop, whoop.
All right.